Do you want to make cereal, but is too stupid and don't know how to make it? Well, I'm going to teach you. Alright, so the first ingredient you're going to need is a bowl. You're going to need a spoon and some milk. You are also going to need cereal, which I currently do not have. So if you want to get some, you have to go outside, you have to look around for a special cereal tree. You want to pick out the cereal from that tree and run back to the house. Now you have cereal that you can use. First, put down the bowl. Second, you want to add the cereal, which is the most important part of cereal, in my opinion. The milk, which I don't use most of the time because I'm what is known as a psychopath, as I've been told. Then you want to add the spoon, which is an important ingredient. And now you have cereal that you can eat. Congratulations. You can make cereal now.